Auto Repair. Today I'm going to be trying to install these Cover Auto seat covers in my Ford Taurus. They come in a pretty nice packed storage package. It even got handles on it, so this thing might even be usable as like a suitcase for clothes. Comes with some pretty durable hold down ties. When you install front seat, it even comes with a pretty good detail of how to do it, and you just need 3 per side. And if your car has like the little cubbies in the back, well, these seat covers also come with the little cubbies. And I have turned the shipment box into my a cat thing, but they are sold on Amazon, pretty reasonable. Now, supposedly these are set for a Chevy Cruze. Well, here's the test today. I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna see if I can install at least the front covers in my 2013 Ford Taurus. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. I got 3. I'm also at the time watching Finnegan's Garage. Right now, Fryberger is going through a carburetor on the Dotson because Finnegan had just bought the Dotson. And in this episode, they're traveling roughly 7, well, let's just put it this way. They're out in California and they're trying to get to Alabama. So if I remember, I'll also link this episode in my description, along with the information on this Cover Auto cover seats. So let's, stop the chit chat and let's get to trying to install. Oh, this found on the side of the road. It's electric mini quad. When me and my daughter's gonna go through it, we might record it, see if we can get this thing running again. But I'll probably have to get either new lock cylinders, because there's 2 on there. I don't have the key. It doesn't have a seat, but or maybe I can get a keys cut for it. All right, first thing you're going to want to do is in your Taurus, if you have the electric seats. Yeah, that sounds horrible. Let me pull that out. Is pull it up. I do need to remove my massaging thing and my little here, but the first thing you're going to want to do is remove your headrest, which you'll have your seat lever here. Pull that back, get your headrest out. I can just slide this up and over. Oh, the cable's stuck here for my control. All right, loop this back up like that. Now, I'm gonna work on getting this on, but if we look at it side by side, it's almost identical. Same length, everything. So I'm gonna work on getting this installed because I don't have a camera person. It's just me and my hand. So let me go ahead and slide this on here, and then we'll work on getting these attached if it fits, which I believe it will. Okay, next thing you're going to want to do once you get the seat cover on, and this slid on here beautifully, is you're going to want to loop these on. Now what I'm going to do is tuck them back beneath the seat, back here, slide that out of the way, and they're going to get connected to these, I believe. Let's go double check the book and make sure. Okay, so on here, yeah, we're going to loop at least 2 of them on each, but the middle one's going to stay, and then we will install this part. So let's go ahead and bring the headrest part with me. Okay, got them through, a little tough. You'll need to have both hands if you got long arms. You'll stick one arm back through here as you feed those 3 tie downs. Oh look, a quarter. That's what my finger kept hitting. As you can see, they're right there. Now I'll attach both these to here and it'll be connected. Okay, so that's all connected. This thing's on here nice and snug. Wow, fits perfect. And here it is on the front. I mean, the only difference is this right here. I know this ain't made for this car, but I mean, I can live with that. Now we'll go ahead and scoot this back. Now, it's getting warm out here and this shirt is not very breathable. So I'm starting to get pretty hot. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy in the house. Thanks to Cover Auto for sponsoring this. Use Stan's Auto for 10% off. Link in the description. I'm gonna slip this over and I'm gonna get it attached. All right. Okay. Got it on. I do have the tilting headrest, so that's why this moves. And then see, but if it was on the, see, it stays, then you gotta push it again to get it to pop back up. But what that does is it moves the headrest. Anyways, let's go get this installed in the car. Quick thing, inside my car is 22% humidity and it's 104.7 degrees Fahrenheit in the car. So anyways, you do have some buttons up here that you just need to button up. There's 4 of them. I just have these 2. Okay. Lean the seat back a little bit. Line the holes up. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me get this adjusted down. There is the headrest attached to the seat cover. You can see where the 3 tie downs go through. Now, the bottom cover. Okay, for the bottom seat cover, you have these 2 clips. So when you go to install this, you'll have it unclipped. And then you also need 2 of these metal hooks that you'll end up putting on here, on both these, and on the rear seat cover. It shows slide it on, get it in position, then take the clip and run it through the seat to the back and then hook it, as shown in this picture, as you can see here. Then on the bottom, you're going to take the 2 clips, and if you have a bar or whatever you have in the front seat to hook to, just make sure it's not a movable part or an electrical wire. Part of the seat frame itself is what you're going to want to clip to. If I can show you, I will show you at least on this 2013 Taurus, and we'll go from there. This is what the seat cover looks like, just sitting on it. Looks a little bit too big, but remember, part of that's going to be tucked in, and then I should be able to tuck it around this plastic where the electric up and down seat adjustment forward back is. This is for the lumbar that's built into the seat, and then this is the adjuster. But other than that, not sure what the base models do have. I mean, my Taurus is the SEL Flex Fuel. Does engine wise 3.5 sport shift. The S can help you up and down mountain hills, and then you can manually bump the gears up and down yourself. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on getting this installed, and then I'll show you. Okay, so as you can see, I got the leather tucked in here, which helped it sit a little bit better flush. This is running down. And above, so it doesn't hit on the tracks. And then same on this side. All right, now I'm gonna get this seat back. I had to open the doors to get a breeze to go through. I'm gonna get my seat back and get the front connected. All right, you're gonna install these on this way with the hook pointed down. Okay. You can see where I got them hooked to. Yeah, sweat really shows up on these. I like my seat a little straight. But there, wow, the sun is so bright I can't see in the video as I'm recording it. But there is the front seat cover from Cover Auto in a 2013 Ford Taurus that is originally made for a 2011 Chevy Cruze. Honestly, I think it fits perfectly, even in the back. All right, so that's how that gets installed, and that's what it looks like. This video is already 11 minutes long. I don't want to go any further. Well, there's a back seat, but I'm not going to worry about putting in the back seat as of right now, because my daughter, well, we know how little kids are if you have kids, and cars and food and stains everywhere. But for at least for the front, and it doesn't matter if it's black or tan, your legs still stick to the leather. But anyways, there we go. Thank you for watching, and Cover Auto, thank you for your sponsorship.